Another mystery buried deep in the hills of eastern Washington keeps resurfacing, a bottomless pit said to be a pathway to the paranormal.
Something terrifying was caught on camera deep inside Mel's hole, shocking people around the world. In a quiet part of eastern Washington, this mysterious pit is said to be bottomless. Cameras lowered into its depths have captured strange and eerie images that have left top scientists puzzled. What horrors are hidden in Mel's hole? Join us as we explore the chilling secrets of this mysterious pit. In a quiet part of eastern Washington, there's a very strange place called Mel's Hole. This hole seems to have no bottom, and it was found by a local man named Mel Waters. Since its discovery, many odd things have been found there, and strange events have happened that nobody can explain. Cameras lowered deep into the hole have captured creepy images, puzzling even experienced scientists. Stories of ghosts and government secrets surround this mysterious hole. Mel's Hole is on the Mellet property, west of a place called Ellensburg, specifically on Manastash Ridge. It looks like an ordinary well, but isn't used for water. Over the years, people have thrown all kinds of trash into it, but it never fills up. This made Mel, the landowner, very curious about how deep it really is. Mel's dogs avoided the hole, acting scared. He also picked up strange signals on his radio when he was near it, and it seemed bottomless. Stories about Mel's Hole spread quickly. In 2017, a group of researchers found the hole and decided to investigate. They lowered a camera, but what they saw was so scary they had to run away, realizing it was too dangerous. Mel's Hole is not just any hole. It's a large circle, about 9 feet wide, with stone walls going down about 15 feet before turning into darkness. For years, it has been a dump site for Mel, his wife, and even their neighbors. Strangely, no sounds are heard when things are thrown in, and there's no sign they ever hit the bottom, which confuses everyone. Mel Waters, who loves fishing, decided to figure out how deep the hole really was. Using his fishing gear, he tied a 1-pound weight to a fishing line and lowered it into the well. Even after 4,500 feet, the weight didn't hit the bottom. The mystery of the hole's depth remained unsolved. Mel didn't give up. He pulled the line back and tied a pack of lifesavers instead of a heavy weight, hoping to find water. But when he pulled them back, they were completely dry. Mel tried again and again, sending down almost 10,000 feet of line, nearly 2 miles, but still found no bottom. He even used 880,000 feet of line, more than 166 miles, but found nothing. The hole seemed endless. Mel noticed something strange while working on the hole. His dogs refused to go near it, backing away as if sensing danger. The area around the hole was strangely quiet too, with no birds or insects, though birds flew over it without any trouble. Talking to his neighbors, Mel found out their dogs behaved the same way. One neighbor had a shocking story. After his dog died, he threw the body into the hole. A few days later, he saw the same dog, wearing its collar, alive and running through the woods. When he called the dog, it acted like it didn't know him, as if it had come back from somewhere else entirely. Mel's quiet life was about to get a lot of attention. Could it really be true? It seemed like something straight out of a science fiction story. With all the strange events and the mysterious pit, Mel felt completely lost and unsure of what to do next. It was 1997, and there was a popular place where people talked about weird things, the *** Coast to Coast AM *** radio show hosted by Art Bell. ART's show was famous for exploring the unexplained and paranormal, broadcast from the desert and listened to by millions around the world. Mel decided to reach out to Art Bell and his audience, hoping they could help him understand the deep pit and the odd things happening around it. If there was any chance of finding answers, it would be through the curious and open-minded listeners of *** Coast to Coast AM. ***. The story of Mel's pit became even more complicated with government involvement and deeper mysteries discussed on this popular radio show. The next day, when Mel tried to return to his land, he discovered he couldn't get in. The *** U.S. military had found out about the pit and had taken control. ***. They didn't want anyone else getting close. Right after Mel spoke on the radio show that Friday night, he noticed helicopters flying over his land, and they didn't stop the next day. Mel also mentioned that the pit seemed to affect the world around it. Animals stayed away, but plants seemed to thrive near it. Radios didn't work properly by the pit either. If you brought a radio close, it would start making strange noises and sometimes pick up stations from far away or even from the past. Once, Mel's radio began playing old tunes from decades ago. He tried to change the station but instead found himself listening to a *** baseball game from 1967 ** 30 years earlier. When Art first spoke with Mel on his show, they talked for about an hour. Mel was in Ellensburg when he made that call. But when he tried to return to his land afterward, he was stopped. The *** military had blocked the way. ***. They told Mel a plane had crashed on his land, but there was no crash site, no broken pieces, no fire, nothing. Yet, Mel was not allowed to pass. They said they first had to inspect the crash site. When Mel asked to speak with their boss, a man in plain clothes came out. This man hinted that *** Mel might not own his land anymore *** and even threatened that they could find illegal activities there, like a secret drug manufacturing site, if Mel caused trouble. Feeling bold, Mel said he would tell the journalists. But the man just laughed and said, "Go ahead, talk. Anyway, no one would believe your story." The wild stories about Mel's hole were attracting even wilder theories. But believe it or not, Art Bell and his listeners were ready to believe anything. A couple of days later, Art called Mel again to see if there was anything new. Mel had an incredible story to share. Though he hadn't seen it himself, one of his neighbors had witnessed something truly unusual, a dark beam of light shooting from the pit and piercing the clouds, a type of darkness that was completely new and frightening. Art Bell and many callers to his show said that this area in Washington was known for all sorts of weird occurrences. People had seen UFOs, experienced disappearances, and other strange events. But this wasn't the end of the strange theories. Callers to the show had various ideas about the pit. Some thought it was located on what is known as a *** ley line ***, which some believe is an invisible energy line that crosses the Earth. They speculated that perhaps the pit was a gateway to another place or even another time. They imagined that all the things thrown into the pit, like garbage, broken items, and sadly, animals, might end up piled up somewhere else, in a different world. One caller even suggested that the pit could be an entrance to the *** hollow Earth ***, a very old idea. Inside our planet, there's a hidden world, much like a huge cave. As this idea spread, more theories came up. Art Bell, unable to go back to his home country, asked the locals for their thoughts. An old neighbor told stories about tall stone pillars that once surrounded the hole. People warned Mel not to talk about it on the radio, fearing the government might be listening. By the end of the show, Mel said he would come back with more news, but when the time came, he disappeared without a trace. Calls went unanswered, so a TV crew went to Ellensburg to check it out. However, when they got there, they found no sign of any hole. Instead, they found a lot of military documents and plans, showing the military might be involved in the area. 3 years later, Mel revealed that he was offered $3 million a year to let the military use his land, but he had to leave the US and never come back. Mel agreed and moved to Australia for 2 years. But Mel missed his family and home too much. Risking everything, he secretly came back to the US to see his family. His journey was dangerous as he tried to uncover the truth behind the mysterious hole. Despite warnings, Mel visited his family and planned to talk more on Art Bell's radio show. But things didn't go as planned. On the day of the show, Mel was on a bus to see his nephew when an argument broke out, leading to a police intervention. And then, it got even stranger. Mel suddenly passed out and woke up ** 12 days later in a San Francisco alley ** confused and scared. His wallet was gone, his arm had painful needle marks, and 2 of his teeth were missing. Things only got worse as he never got his land back and was accused by the government of illegal construction. Just days after trying to contact Art Bell again, Mel found out his ** bank accounts were emptied **. Many started doubting his story, but Art, always curious about complex tales, invited Mel back on the show. It was revealed that while the TV crew didn't find the hole, they saw signs of *** significant military activity ***. Plus, something strange happened. Aircraft were suddenly *** banned from flying over Mel's land ***, and satellite images of the area appeared as *** black squares *** online. Now, Mel was off to explore another mysterious hole in *** Nevada ***. This odd change didn't happen until 6 months after Mel's first call to Art Bell, proving he didn't make up the story based on the images. As the story got more complicated, a *** Native American tribe from Nevada *** reached out to Mel. They also had a mysterious hole and thought Mel could help them understand it. Wanting answers, Mel went to Nevada to explore this new mystery with the tribe and a group named *** Forest ***, making sure he wasn't secretly working with any media or government bodies. As Mel faced this new puzzle, one question remained, ***, what lies at the bottom of these mysterious holes, ***. His adventure continued, uncovering more layers of a deepening mystery that connected not just to his land but to a completely different place. In a public area, people from the *** Bosque region ***, originally from the borderlands between France and Spain, had settled. By the 19th century, they had moved to Nevada to graze sheep. The Bosque people spoke of a long-standing hole, believed to have been there for over **2 centuries and saw it as a *** sacred site ***. This hole was about ** 9 feet wide ***, similar to Mel's hole, but different. Instead of a stone wall, it had a ** metallic ring around its edge ***, made of an unusual type of metal. Mel noticed a ** strange warmth ** coming from the hole. When he accidentally dropped a tool onto the metallic ring, it made ** no sound at all ** the noise seemed to disappear. Curious, Mel and the Bosque community began experimenting. They lowered a bucket filled with ** ice ** into the hole, which went down about * 300 meters ** while keeping some ice above ground to compare. When they pulled the bucket back up, the ice inside ** hadn't melted * and was strangely cold and completely dry, looking like chunks of salt. Attempts to ** melt this peculiar ice ** with fire resulted in it ** igniting and burning for a long time ** even ** months ***. Further experiments with varying amounts of ice showed inconsistent results. Sometimes the ice melted normally, and other times it turned into this ** strange, flammable substance ***. The idea of ** descending into the hole ** was quickly dismissed by the group as too risky, leading them to consider an alternative experiment, ** lowering a sheep into the hole ***. Though it might seem odd, they went ahead with the plan. The sheep, however, seemed uneasy and resisted going down into the depths. It was as if the animal sensed something bad. With caution, the team lowered a box containing the sheep ** about 1,000 feet into the hole ***. Suddenly, the rope stopped moving, and a strange humming filled the air. After about half an hour, they pulled the box up only to find the sheep unresponsive, looking dead. The shock and fear among the group were strong as they sensed they were dealing with something profound. The Bosque people, knowledgeable about sheep, decided to examine the sheep's insides to understand what had happened. Inside the sheep, it was as if it had been cooked, and there was ** a large tumor filling much of its body ***. Then the situation took a bizarre turn as ** the tumor began to move on its own ***. Upon opening the tumor, they found something amazing, ** a creature resembling a seal ***, but not quite the same. It was attached to the tumor with an umbilical cord, and shockingly, it had ** human-like eyes ***. After discovering this seal-like creature, it moved towards the edge of the table by itself. Mel, sensing the creature's desire to return to the hole, picked it up despite its strange, sticky texture and distinct smell, ** like the air after a thunderstorm ***, and placed it near the hole. The creature looked at them one last time before jumping back into the abyss. More odd events led Mel to startling discoveries. Before this strange event, Mel had been *** battling severe throat cancer ***, with doctors giving him a grim prognosis. However, after this remarkable adventure, his illness *** miraculously disappeared ***, and he felt better than he had in a long time. This encounter seemed to have healed him, changing his life completely. He had ventured into a world beyond normal understanding and came back a different man. Later, Mel returned to the radio show **Coast to Coast * with more tales, particularly about the aftermath of their strange experiments with the *** burning ice ***. One of the Bosque residents had brought a piece of this burning ice into his cabin, which led to unexpected consequences. The fire from the ice *** never went out ***, burning for months and changing the cabin's atmosphere by *** sucking out all the moisture ***, leaving everything dry. The cabin's residents suffered from *** severe dryness and constant thirst ***, and even boiling water became a challenge as the steam would get absorbed by the fire. In a completely unexpected event, the wood stove heated by this bizarre ice eventually *** fell through the cabin floor ***, leaving more questions than answers about the true nature of this mysterious phenomenon. Instead of fixing the cabin floor the usual way, they just covered the hole with a patch and kept using the strange fire. But then, things got even stranger. A few weeks later, the entire cabin crumbled to dust ***. When the owner returned with his brother, they saw something bizarre. The stove was now *** 5 feet below ground level ***, as if the burning ice had created a small bottomless pit. They found the ground under the stove *** smooth ***. Removing the stove required a huge crane. But this wasn't the worst part. Locals began sharing stories of a *** magical seal *** that had emerged from the hole, seen as a friendly spirit connecting them to the pit's strange energies. Brightly colored birds appeared around the hole and couldn't be scared away. The locals saw these birds as a sign, perhaps a *** blessing from the magical seal ***. But the mystery deepened when locals claimed the *** seal communicated with them through beeps and clicks on the radio ***, warning about the burning ice's dangers. Art Bell asked for proof, and the locals said they had *** recordings ***. Mel was invited back to discuss this, but then he vanished ***. 5 years later, the story became a lingering tale of ***, what ifs and maybes. ***. Mel's hole remains a captivating story from Art Bell's show. But what can be proven? The exact location of the hole is unclear ***. Satellite images once showed a dark area, but nothing conclusive. Fans have tried to find the hole based on Mel's descriptions, but the closest